Do a quick audio test. Quick audio test. Quickness with the audio testness. Merry Testmas to us all. How does that sound? Merry Testmas, everybody? No gang signs. No, peace. Yeah, be out of business with peace. We'll be out of business with peace. We don't want peace when we're Starks and we're making monies and we're doing war things. We need other things. Let's try it again without that. Let's try it again with just the one microphone that should be picking me up. We'll test it, and we'll test it, and we'll get back to you when we're tested. I go loud sometimes, and maybe I go a little quieter. Maybe I go a little quieter. But what if I go loud again? Loud! I'm not going to go too loud because I don't want to piss people off because I got fucking neighbors and shit. Well, let's see if it doesn't pick up the fucking echo.